Welcome to the auction of this wonderful Burgundy Red 1969 912. It has been with the owner for 52 years. It has been the subject of a bare metal restoration, and the numbers matching drivetrain has been worked on by both the maestro Harry Pelow and Tom Amen. We should also mention that it comes with its original Steely wheels, hubcaps, Solex carbs, and the original Blaupunk radio, workshop manuals, and much more. We'll tell you all about it after a cold start and a quick drive. Our client purchased this gorgeous 912 in the San Francisco Bay Area in 1972. In '75, he painted it Porsche Racing Silver. The car then moved with the client to Virginia in the early 80s. In 1988, he disassembled the engine and sent it to the maestro, Harry Pelow, for some machine work and powder coating. Shortly thereafter, the body was sent away for rust repair and primer. Work on the car would stop for the next 26 years. Finally, in 2018, back in California, the owner commenced the restoration, returning it to its original Bergenrot 6808 paint color, had the interior restored, and Tom Amen reassembled that engine. It was completed in 2019 and has been driven roughly 1,000 miles since. A new project has begun for the owner, and so he's giving it to us to find a caretaker for the next 52 years. It's available on Bring a Trailer, and for more info, visit us at Genau Autowerks.com.